This meeting is being recorded.
In Chapter 14, we'll discuss the topic of chemical kinetics. And you should know that kinetics is a study of the rate at which a chemical process occurs. So I'll mention some definitions throughout the chapter, and we'll take some notes along the way as well. A reaction mechanism, all you really need to know is that describes exactly how the reaction occurs. We know that bonds will break and new bonds will form. So whenever we reference the reaction mechanism, that's what is being talked about. So some factors that can affect reaction rates include the physical state of the reactants. So that could be whether they're a solid, liquid, or gas. In order for a reaction to occur, molecules must come in contact with one another. They must touch, they must make contact, and the more homogeneous a mixture of reactants is, so if we have all gases or all liquids, etc., the faster the molecules will react. The second factor here that can affect reaction rates is the concentration of reactants. So that includes, the mole per liter, concentration unit, things of that nature. So the more concentration there is, the higher level of reactants, the more likelihood the molecules will collide. This increases the frequency also that the molecules will collide and therefore increases the rate. So higher concentration, faster rate. Next we have temperature. So temperature is a measure of the kinetic energy of the molecules. So as you increase temperature, you're giving these molecules more kinetic energy, they're moving faster, and then they're colliding more often with greater energy. So they're able to react again at a faster rate. So if you, for example, were to put milk in the fridge, this will slow down the rate of it spoiling. For every 10 degrees or so, the reaction rate can double. So things like that are important to keep in mind. So temperature, increasing that, increasing rate again. The last factor will be the presence of a catalyst. So really just knowing whether a catalyst is present or not tells you whether or not you will have a sped up or an increased rate of reaction. So what happens is a catalyst will lower the amount of activation energy and change the reaction pathway. So we actually can increase a reaction by either of those methods using a catalyst. So keep these 4 factors in mind when you're considering how reaction rates can be affected.